Hi, my name is Robic Piedraga from BSCPE 3A. I'm going to explain how is data set. This topic focuses on journey of digital information and how it's sent from one point to another. Pinapakita dito ang konsepto ng pagpapadala ng data na mahalaga sa lahat ng uri ng communication. Nagbibigay ito ng ideya na ang buong tatalakayin ay tungkol sa proseso kung paano nagiging posible ng modernong connection. Understanding how data travels. Exploring how digital information is turned into signals for communication. Data is not simplified, transferred instantly. It must be converted into signals that can move across communication system. Pinapakita dito na bago makarating ang impormasyon sa receiver, dadaan muna ito sa masusing proseso. Papaliwanag rin ang signal na nagsisilbing tulay para makatawid ang data sa iba't ibang medium. Digital information basics. All digital data is expressed as ones and zeros, forming the building blocks of communication. All digital communication begins with binary numbers, ones and zeros, which are represented by ones and zeros. Kahit gaano kalaki o kabigat ang isang file, sa pinakapayapak na anyo ay binubuo lamang ito ng binary. Mahalaga itong maintindihan dahil ito ang batayan ng lahat ng teknolohiyang ginagamit natin sa araw-araw. Converting bits into signals is then preparing data, encoding, modulating into signals. Bits go through preparation, encoding, and modulation so they can be turned into usable signals. Dito may kita actual na proseso paano magiging daloy ng kuryente, alon, o liwanag na simpleng binary data. Ito ang nagsisimulang paglalakbay ng impormasyon mula sa sender papunta sa receiver. Modulating methods. Ways to represent data, amplitude changes, frequency variation, phase shifts. Different modulation techniques are used such changing amplitude, frequency, or phase to carry the information. Ang bawat paraan ng modulation ay may kanya-kanya pong gamit depende sa sitwasyon, uri ng channel. Dahil dito naging flexible ang komunikasyon kahit iba-iba ang medium ng pagpapadala. Pathways for data. Information can move through wires, wireless, signals, or light in optical fibers. Data can move through wires, wireless transmission, or light in optical fibers. Pinapakita rito na iba't iba na pwedeng tahakin ng signal. Depende sa teknolohiya. Ang pagpili ng medium ay nakakaapekto sa bilis, saklaw, at kalidad ng komunikasyon. Challenges in the channel. Problems like noise, signal weakening, and interference affect transmission quality. Noise interference and signal weakening can disrupt or distort the communication. Hindi perpekto ang transmission dahil maraming bagay sa paligid ang nakakaapekto sa signal. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit minsan bumabagal ang connection o nagkakaroon ng error sa data at hindi agad-agad ito natatanggap. Making communication reliable. Techniques include error correction, signals, filtering, and choosing strong modulation schemes. Error connections, signals, filtering, and stronger modulation schemes helps ensures reliable data transfer. Sa pamamagitan ng mga teknolohiyang ito, kahit may problema sa channel, ay naitatama at napapabuti pa rin ang resulta. Mahalaga ito upang maging malinaw at tama ang bawat mensaheng ipinapadala at tumatanggap or tinatanggap. Reception process. At the receiver's end, signals are decoded back into the ordinary binary. Signals are decoded back into binary from at the receiving and restoring the original information. Ito ang punto kung saan muling magiging 1 at 0 ang signal upang mabasa ng computer o device. Kung walang decoding, hindi po yung maiintindihan ng receiver ang mensaheng ipinapadala ay pinapakita dun sa everyday application. Examples: texting, online, video streaming, and internet connection via fiber optics. The same process is used everyday activities such as testing, streaming videos, and accessing the internet. Pinapakita rito na ang konsepto ng digital communication ay hindi lamang teorya, kundi aktwal na gamit sa pang-araw-araw. Mula sa simpleng pakikipag-chat hanggang sa pinanonood ng pelikula online, lahat ay dumadaan sa prosesong ito. Main insights. Data needs to be encoded into signals. The medium influences its quality. Reliable exchange depends on both sender and receiver. Effective communication depends on encoding, the quality of the medium, and the coordination between sender and receiver. Kung hindi tama ang encoding, ang at mahina ang daluyan ng signal, magiging mahirap ang pagpapadala ng data. Mahalaga rin matugma ng sender at receiver upang maging matagumpay ang palitan ng impormasyon. So yun. In the whole video series na napanood ko, the video clearly explain how data moves from binary numbers into signals that we use in everyday communication. I realized that without this process, technologies like internet, streaming, will not be possible. Para sa akin, naging malinaw kung gaano kahalaga ang encoding at modulation sa maayos na pagpapadala ng data. Nakita ko na hindi natin nakikita ang prosesong ito, malaking bagay ito ng araw-araw na buhay. Lamang po. Thank you.